Imagine this. You scroll through Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and right between cute dog videos and workout clips is an ad claiming a little tea or a shake will flush toxins, melt fat, boost energy, and reset your body in just days. Millions of people, real people just like you, believe this without questioning it. Not because there's solid science, but because slick marketing, celebrity endorsements, and fear-based wording make it feel true. Today, we're pulling the curtain back on this multi-billion-dollar illusion. The detox industry isn't here to clean your body. It's here to clean out your wallet and the so-called toxins they talk about, not even defined in real medical science. Stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll never fall for this scam again. Let's cut straight to the part that most people never hear. Detox products don't do what they claim. You've probably seen teas, pills, juices, and cleanses promising everything from flushing toxins to boosting immunity, improving skin, and making you lose weight fast. But here's the scientific reality. There is no solid clinical evidence that any of these products actually remove toxins from your body, enhance liver function, or have long-term health effects. In real medicine, detox refers to specific clinical treatment for things like drug poisoning or severe liver injury, not drinking something advertised on social media. Mayo Clinic and Harvard Health both confirm this lack of evidence in multiple reviews. Most of these products don't even specify which toxins they claim to remove. And because there's no agreement in science on undefined toxins sitting inside a healthy person waiting to be flushed. What they are built on is marketing language. Words like cleanse, reset, and detox that sound scientific, but have no real meaning in human physiology. At best, some ingredients can temporarily affect digestion or fluid balance, like laxatives making you go to the bathroom more. But that's not biological detoxification. So the hidden truth behind these products isn't health improvement. It's clever psychology disguised as science. Now let's talk about the real detoxification system, the one you were born with. You don't need a bottle, a tea, or a magic juice for this. Your body already has an incredibly efficient system for processing and eliminating waste. Your liver changes harmful substances into compounds your body can safely remove. Your kidneys filter your blood and eliminate waste through urine. Your lungs exhale gas waste like carbon dioxide. Your digestive system removes solid waste. And even your skin plays a small role through sweat, all without any extra products. Real scientific reviews show that healthy people don't have a buildup of undefined toxins that need flushing. And there's no peer-reviewed evidence showing that detox drinks or pills help your natural systems work better. In fact, Harvard Health states that these products don't speed up your organs. Your body already has the fastest, smartest detox system available. So before you spend another $1 on something that will sit gathering dust on your shelf, ask yourself this. Does my body actually need a detox? Or does someone want to sell me one? Now that we've torn down the empty promises, let's get into something most people never talk about, the very real harm that detox supplements can do. You might think these teas and pills are just harmless, but the truth is far scarier. Many of them aren't regulated by the FDA, so companies don't have to prove they're safe or effective before selling them. That means what's inside the bottle sometimes isn't what's printed on the label. Public documents from the Federal Trade Commission show detox brands like Teami were charged with making unsubstantiated health claims and paying influencers to hype their products without proper disclosure, claims that had no credible science backing them. Worse, modern reviews of detox teas show that ingredients commonly used, like senna leaf, high doses of caffeine, or herbal extracts, can act as strong laxatives or stimulants, leading to dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and liver inflammation when misused. And here's the part most people never hear. The things these products are marketed to fix can actually be made worse by them, triggering medical problems that land people in urgent care, all while companies profit from the myth of a cleanse. Now let's pull back the curtain on how you were convinced to buy into this in the first place. Detox product marketers are masters of what psychologists call emotional triggers. They know exactly how to make you feel like something is wrong with your body, so that you believe you need their product. They pepper ads with words like flush toxins, boost metabolism, and reset your system. Language designed to bypass your logical brain and trigger a fear response. Research into advertising psychology shows that phrases without defined meaning, like toxins, are purely emotional hooks, not medically grounded facts. Then there's the celebrity and influencer angle. Major brands paid famous faces to post pictures and videos of them drinking detox teas and supplements, without clearly telling followers they were being paid to promote them. In fact, the U.S. Federal Trade Commission has taken legal action against brands and influencers for failing to disclose such paid endorsements while making health claims that lack scientific evidence. These marketing strategies are not accidental. They're designed to make you believe the story they want you to believe, not the science that actually exists. And when emotion sells better than evidence, your fears get sold back to you in a bottle. Have you ever scrolled through Instagram or TikTok and seen a smiling influencer holding a detox tea, promising that it's their secret to glowing skin and a flat belly? Now, imagine millions of people just like you seeing that and believing it. The uncomfortable truth is that most of these posts are paid promotions, designed to make you think the product works when the reality is far darker. In 2020, the Federal Trade Commission charged a major detox brand with making false health claims and secretly paying influencers to promote their products without disclosure. These posts often look like honest advice, but behind the scenes, influencers are cashing in while viewers are unknowingly buying empty promises. Worse, many ads prey on insecurities about weight, energy, or appearance, or creating a sense of urgency to try something miraculous. By the end of this, you'll realize that what looks like wellness advice is actually a carefully crafted profit scheme, and the consequences could affect your health and wallet. Now let's cut through the hype and talk about what really works. Not magic teas, not expensive powders, but science-backed habits that support your body's natural detox systems. Leading medical institutions like Harvard Health and the Mayo Clinic emphasize that your liver, kidneys, lungs, and gut are already doing the heavy lifting to remove toxins, and no supplement or tea can speed that up. Instead of chasing gimmicks, focus on sustainable practices. Eat a balanced diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to nourish your organs. Drink enough water to flush waste naturally. And move your body through regular exercise to improve circulation and metabolic health. These habits are proven to support real, measurable results. Better energy, improved digestion, and overall wellness, without empty promises, side effects, or influencer-driven lies. Unlike detox fads, these solutions actually work, and they're free for you to implement today. Here's the part that might shock you. Your body can detox itself far better than any tea or powder, but most people never give it the chance. I want to challenge you. For the next 7 days, ditch all detox products and follow a simple, scientifically backed routine. Hydrate, eat whole foods, and move your body daily. At the end of the week, ask yourself, did you feel more energetic, less bloated, sleep better? Drop your results in the comments. I want to hear everything. Share if you've ever been misled by detox marketing, or if this challenge surprised you. Trust the science, trust your body, and let's see how powerful your natural detox system really is.